After you decide that I'm depressed or whatever, you'll put me on meds, right?
In our society, we feel we must be happy. If we're not happy, we feel hopeless. We feel like failures.
When you took the overdose, your heart stopped. You have damaged the mechanism that pumps blood into the heart, which has caused irreversible damage to it.
So I'm gonna die after all.
It may only be a matter of weeks.
The plan is to talk with Veronica mainly.
I hate your stupid desk. And I hate your ugly ties. And I hate everyone locked up in this place.
And the families of other patients have complained about irregular methods of treatment.
Answer me honestly, please. Doesn't it feel better to feel better?
You think outsiders are any less crazy than we are?
What about him?
I know, he's gorgeous. You can't actually talk to him.
There's so much about myself that I don't know.
Get your hands off! Get your hands off! Everybody, calm him!